Seth Godin once said, people do not buy goods and services, they buy relations. They buy stories and magic. And what's more magical than belonging? In a world where every brand is shouting, the only ones we trust are the ones invited into our lives by people we already trust. Parents introduced me to Colgate. My husband introduced me to my favorite perfume. In this episode of Modern Marketing Unlocked, we are talking about community led marketing and why trust is the new growth engine that each brand is trying to harness. Hello, I am Nidhi, and you're watching This is the Digital Marketing. Think of Notion, they did not run massive campaign. Instead, they built cult-like fan base. People started creating templates, YouTube tutorials, aesthetic Instagram pages for free. And same goes with Canva as well, because they felt part of something. Notion and Canva did not chase virality. They nurtured community and growth. Explosive, isn't it? Now take Nykaa. Their community-led content, real makeup routines, tutorials, honest reviews comes from creators who actually use their product. It is not influencer spam, it's trust. When your customer create content for you, you have moved from marketing to momentum. Even in the physical world, think of Nikes running clubs or Quiet Corner in a Starbucks store with handwritten barista stories. These aren't ad campaigns, they are connection points, offline belonging that builds emotion and equity. So here's the shift. Modern marketing isn't about more eyeballs, it is about better belonging. You can buy impressions, but you can't buy advocacy. You can't buy I love this brand. And you don't need millions. You just need 100 people who care about, who care so much about your brand that they bring 10 other in. So, next time you plan a campaign, ask, am I marketing to a crowd or am I nurturing a tribe? The former scrolls past, the latter sticks. This is Modern Marketing Unlocked, and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.